Guys, you know what's better than finishing a TV show? Is having a party celebrating that TV show with your very best friend.
Hey! What's cracking? Guys, season 2 was intense.
10 months.
10 months long.
Permits, delays, all the things. But here's the thing, we get to hang out tonight, celebrate it. The hard thing for high performers is that you gotta stop, take a moment, enjoy the day. After 10 months of hard work, it's hard to do that. It's also really, really cool that all of our friends from all over the country flew in. We're gonna spend the whole night with them. And who else is coming to visit tonight?
OUTLAWZ, Outlawz! Yeah, bro. This is what's up. You guys all know that I'm a big Tupac fan, but I never imagined that when I was growing up, when I was listening to the Tupac and the Outlawz, and I was like sitting there in my dark room, that I would one day be at the 2nd season premiere of our television show, and they'd be performing.
Childhood dream right there, guys. Dreams do come true.
Hell yeah! Enjoy the rest of this video, guys. We out.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I was soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't belabor like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I was soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm hopping now I gotta go. I'm looking back, they not even close. I had a 4, now I need a ghost. I got a wave like I'm on the coast. Same ones are down and I dare the show. So way that I'm ballin', they think I'm a pro. I'm getting sick by the money I gross. They saying whoa, I told them all what this is. I told them all I don't miss. Said it's my time, look at this shit on my wrist. And when they shooting this brace, I'm going in a new gear, gotta shift. I cannot stick to the script, I cannot wait. Watch how I get it and flip. It's just how I'm doing this shit and I'm gone.